Good afternoon, madam. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. You do have a test, but we'll discuss those details. I know you're going to do well. Don't worry about it. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. You guys, you have your do now in front of you. First five, you know what that means. Get started immediately. This do now will be collected. I see Alexa is working with a lot of great determination to make sure his short response is exactly 3 sentences. Madeline has not wasted any time. You can start it her first sentence. For those of you who have just entered, you know the expectation. These do-nows are being collected for those of you who just walked in. Way to push yourself to think broad, Alexi. Push yourselves. What I want you to do is I want you to detach this sheet and pass it to your left. Pass it to your left. Person on the end, your left would be Marlene. Marlene and Ariana should be the recipient of your paper. Make sure your name is on it. Listen up. Today's class is going to go very quickly so that you guys have an opportunity to start your quiz. Yes, that means you still have a quiz, but you're going to have a mini lesson. A mini lesson before your quiz, okay? We're going to award you extra time. So don't focus on the in. I know you guys are going to do a fabulous, phenomenal job on your quiz, so I'm not even worried. You shouldn't be either. We're going to give you extra time for those of you who need that extra 20 minutes that I'm going to use on this mini lesson, and we'll discuss that when we get there. So, what I want you guys to do is to turn your page. Today, I need a strong reader to read for us the aim. Strong reader, read for us the aim. Kevin, take it away.
Students will be able to introduce precise written language through the use of concrete nouns versus abstract nouns.
Okay, how many of you in your class, by show of hands, have heard or have learned of concrete nouns? Okay, two people. How many in this class have heard of abstract nouns? One person? What have I said? You all know what a concrete noun is, and you all know what an abstract noun is. Would you be surprised? No. Well, I'm not surprised either. I want to show you guys a video. As you watch this video clip, I want you to annotate what you see, what you notice in this clip on the provided chart. Okay? If you can, Leah, can you hit the lights for us, please? Yes. Here we go.
Smell, taste, touch, feel, and see. Abstract nouns are opposite. Can't see them, but they're all right there. Emotional ideas and the feelings that you share.
Excellent. Now, I want to see some strong Morehouse hands. Tell me what you just observed in this video. What did you learn? Because a minute ago, I only saw one hand. Now I see many. Derek.
I learned that concrete nouns are physical things that you touch, see, smell, hear, and abstract nouns are emotional, ideas.
Okay. Someone else, elaborate. Tell me something you learned about abstract nouns. You can give me an example. You can give me an example. Madeline.
You can't see it or hear it, but like you know it's not there, but like you know it exists.
An abstract noun, you can't exactly focus on me right. You can't exactly see. You can't exactly feel it, touch it. These are all things that you guys already know. They're called your five senses. Clear?
Yeah, crystal.
So concrete noun. These are nouns that you can do what? Touch. What I want you to do, I want everybody to write. Touch. What's the next thing? Sit. See. I want you to write see. Give me something else. Smell.
Taste.
Absolutely, Naya.
Taste.
Right, smell. Taste.
Here.
Leah. And hear.
Here.
Hear. With the ears. Strong, Leah. Okay. So an example of a concrete noun would be hut. Do you guys know what a hut
Oh,
is?
Yeah.
All right, tell me.
A hut is like what those Native Americans used to live in.
Okay, maybe a hut or a teepee. Some of
It's
you
like
know
a
what
house.
teepees are. Exactly, Leah. So a hut. You can see a hut. You can feel a hut.
You can smell it.
Sometimes you can smell a hut, right? Exactly. A gun. Call it out. I want to hear you guys. You can feel it?
You can't
You
see
can hear it. You can hear it.
You can hear a gun that's fired from Gonta? Bring it back. Alexa, that's a good man. Come on, get it back. We're here. We're here. Focus, and we. Okay. Mother. Mother. You can kiss her. You can feel her. Yeah. You can hear her. Perfect. Carving knife. Same thing. Piano. You can feel it. You can hear it. Exactly. And pizza. You can taste it. You can smell it. Concrete now.
You can hear it in the oven.
Sometimes you can hear it. But
It's popping.
here's the thing, class. Concrete nouns are physical. Just like the concrete. We walk on the concrete, correct? You feel it. It's beneath you. You know it's there. Concrete noun. Abstract noun. Someone read off the definition of an abstract noun. Brangelina, strong voice. All eyes, tracking your page.
These are nouns that encode ideas, characteristics. Such qualities cannot be felt, smelled, touched, seen, or heard.
Can you guys touch loveliness?
No.
Yes, you can.
Madeline said
feel
yes.
it.
Yes, you can.
You feel it in your heart. Can you touch it with your hands? Probably not. Maybe in Madeline's world she can. We appreciate Madeline's world too.
Yes.
Her world she can. Can you hear strength? Can you feel strength?
Yes.
You can feel. Okay, but can you feel a muscle?
Yes.
Yes, you can feel a muscle. That's a physical. The strength is not so much something you can feel. Maybe internally, right? Courage, truth, justice, the same thing. You can't feel or identify these things as physical traits. They're just characteristics. Clear?
What is it again?
Avante, reflex direction at the top. Strong voice.
Read the following sentences and determine if the noun modified is concrete or abstract by labeling on the line C or A.
I want you guys to take the next 3 minutes to label. Go.
Sorry.
I see Madeline, she's circling keywords. She's circling keywords.